We are hiking all the way to Cascade Canyon, and this is one of the most picturesque trails in all of Grand Teton National Park. I'm going to say this right at the beginning. When you're visiting Grand Teton National Park for the first time, it really does feel like you're in the middle of a screensaver. We just kept saying it over and over again. You just cannot get over these views. And one of the best ways to experience Grand Teton National Park is the Jenny Lake area. It's so beautiful there, and we took the Jenny Lake boat shuttle over to the trailhead to do the Cascade Canyon Trail, and we highly recommend this. The views that you get from this boat ride over are absolutely stunning. As the boat docks on the other side of Jenny Lake, you're going to see that there's plenty of signage, so you don't need to worry about direction or if you're going to get lost. That's not going to happen. There's plenty of signs there, plus everybody's going the same direction you're headed. So on this trail, you start about right here where the boat lets you off. You're going to come to Hidden Falls first, so you're going to want to see this waterfall. It's amazing. Inspiration Point is a great hangout, and then the trail on down to Cascade Canyon. Right after you pass Cascade Creek, you're going to see the signage for Hidden Falls, and you'll just continue on the main trail. Once you're at Hidden Falls, there will be a little side trail just to get you a better vantage point of that beautiful waterfall, and you're going to definitely want to take that in. After Hidden Falls, as you stay on the Cascade Canyon Trail, the next popular stop is going to be Inspiration Point. This is probably the most famous stop on this trail, and it's just beautiful getting there. It is hard to get over just how picturesque this trail is up to Inspiration Point. There's our first hint of amazing view from Inspiration Point. This hike just has absolutely amazing views. I had no idea just how pretty it would be. The views from Inspiration Point do not disappoint, do they? Well, if you were wondering, the Cascade Canyon Trail is about 7 miles round trip. So this stop at Inspiration Point will be a wonderful place to maybe take a break on the way back down the trail as well. From this point, the hike on into Cascade Canyon was absolutely some of the most beautiful scenery we saw in all of our time at Grand Teton National Park. As you come around the final bend into Cascade Canyon, be on the lookout for moose. Even though we didn't see any on this day, they are prevalent in this area. Cascade Canyon was so amazing. One of the things we enjoyed about this trail though was on the way back down, you got to take in some of those views where you could stop, and it was a little less busy later in the day, and you just got to appreciate it so much more. So I highly recommend taking your time and seeing some of those same stops and just spend a little time there. This is really a scary part of the trail. You got to really pay attention. Don't forget on your way back down to take in some of the views and really appreciate the trail you've just been on. Well, one thing I will say for sure, that after you do a 7-mile round trip hike, you are pretty glad that you decided on taking the boat shuttle over to this trailhead. You definitely enjoy the rest on the way back across Jenny Lake. Hey, just outside of Jenny Lake, we had lunch there after this trail at Dornan's. It's a really cool local restaurant there. The food was outstanding, as an extra tip for you. Well, we hope this video inspires you to put the Cascade Canyon Trail on your list when you visit Grand Teton National Park. And if you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up down below. That helps us. And more importantly, we would love it if you subscribe to our channel and came along with us on all of these adventures. And until next time, get out there and camp, travel, and explore.